4 ounces of almost glue. Mm. No, we're not supposed to play. Oh, it don't matter. Because we don't do it. I should always get that. Alright. We can mix it. No, don't. Not right now. Alright. I'm gonna go get. You want me to go get the water? I got water in a blue bottle in my room. My bottle. What? Alright. What is that blue? Oops. Stop adding stuff.
Y'all work together now. Yeah.
Don't. Ow. What? Return.
You know, Anthony had to be the instructor.
Ow. Why gotta be my blue bottle?
Really, Zoe?
I'm just saying.
Why would you even say that?
It did make like a little hole. Yeah, you mix it first.
Looks like cereal.
Mine does. These just look like milk. Yep.
Go give me a spoon, Anthony. Look like some cereal. No, just joking. Just joking.
I'm gonna give you a spoon.
It is not slime.
I know it's not slime yet.
It's gonna be slime?
Yeah.
You might need to put some, I thought y'all gonna put baking soda in there. What's the soda for?
No, not right now.
Okay. Do not make a mess, Anthony, if you don't have to now. There you go. Thought y'all was on Nickelodeon or something, huh?
No, Nickelodeon they don't make slime. They just they make it. They buy slime. No, they make it and I think they store a lot of it up. They make it like that.
Make it like what?
They make it like glass. How he get like chunky things of it like that?
Mm-hmm.
Supposed to store it hard. You're supposed to do like that. I've been doing it for a long.
I don't think y'all got slime. I think you got glue and water.
Not supposed to do nothing yet. I want eye wash. You have to add the color right now. That's why I said skip it. Hurry up. Now we add the baking soda. Anthony, get us a paper towel.
Leave that spoon now.
Okay, it's gonna tip the bag on.
Well, you should put it to the side, baby.
To a cup of water. Wow.
No more water, right?
No, it just said add to a cup of water. I gotta hold it with my cheek.
You probably what?
You probably living like England.
That's more than a cup, baby, of water. Are you gonna do it in a cup?
Yeah.
Yeah, pull about half of that out though. Pull some of that out.
Half in there and half in there.
No,
put it in
no.
a cup of water.
Okay, but see how low that water is? It's too much water. Pull some of your water out. See how low that is? Yeah, it's less than half. You have to do it that way, not Anthony way. Yep. Yeah, now. Either one of y'all make one and then the other one make another one then. First you gotta do what you want. Look at that boy go.
He's gonna make a mess.
It looks like.
Now what is that gonna do, Andy?
It's baking soda. It make it a little bit more stickier.
Oh, thank you, Anthony.
I'm not Anthony.
You sure?
She'll knock you inside the head.
Oh. Hello.
Oh, like Bello.
Hello.
Like Bello.
Hello.
Like
Anthony. Yes. Cause I don't have to right now.
Who are you talking to like that?
Mom.
Cause I don't want to.
It's not about what you want to do.
They were making fun.
Oh, he can't hear.
What did I say?
Zoe, stop until Anthony's ready.
No.
Huh?
Stop.
What?
Please.
I didn't even do nothing. Yes. I said I didn't want to. Because
We making slime.
Tell her we making
we
slime.
making slime, Mom. Slime.
SLIME.
Because my phone is off. Because my phone is off. I said it's off. Because it's off. So I can't call you. Because it's off. Because it's off. Because I don't know. Yes, ma'am. Okay, bye.
Hey. Watch your mama, boy.
I don't get no baking soda.
It's mine right. Okay, now what you gotta do, Andy? Why you just put the spoon on the cover like that? Oh, here we go. Attitude.
Because he mad.
I'm mad at the world.
See,
I'm
about
mad at the world. Take it on everybody. Take it on you. I'm taking it on you. Look how you look on here. Say, hey, it's me, Mad World. Look like y'all got oatmeal.
Well, I don't. He does.
What do you think you got? Cream of wheat?
He got cream of wheat. Why you putting some more?
Wait, I'll get you some water.
We've got bubbles with glue. Look like
Zoe, I
snot.
got slime.
Ew.
That's what I said.
I'm going to throw up.
Now, what you need water for?
No, that's not a lot. That's not enough. You like a little bit more.
This much, y'all. Really?
I don't know who came up with this crap.
This is not for you.
Mm-hmm.
Do it again. Ew. Are you gonna pour this in there or what?
Pour it on the spoon. Put it on that. A little bit.
Baking soda.
Whatever. That's enough.
Now let's try some eye wash.
No, you. Never mind. Give me some of that. He says, yeah, keep on doing that until.
Pour it in there, Zoe.
Yeah, pour it in there. Why does yours don't look chunky? Okay, yeah, now I can really feel it now. I can feel it getting stuck to the bottom of the bowl.
I need more.
It get into my hand.
Ugh.
You're supposed to add the coloring right now, because afterwards it's gonna be dry.
No, you have to go outside with that coloring. You're not gonna mess this house up. That crap.
Okay, well I'm going. You're not supposed to put that much.
What?
Start stirring it, Zoe.
Okay.
And don't put that stuff on y'all. Don't throw it on you. None of that
Can
crap.
you give me a paper towel?
You heard me. You can play with it in the bowl. Take it off on him, Zoe.
I need to stir it some more.
Stir yours, Zoe.
I am.
You can't even see your glitter no more.
Yeah.
So do mine feel it. You can I can feel the spoon. You can feel it getting stuck. Can't you feel it getting stuck?
You probably need to go up and get you a spoon, Zoe.
Yeah, you need a
Instead of
spoon.
spatula, that's what you got.
Anthony the one who brought it.
Yeah.
I was gonna use it for me, and then you got it.
Well, sorry.
Yes,
Slime time. Thought you said you didn't use that much.
I use some more of this. That way.
No, don't use no more baking soda.
Look that much.
Stop stirring it up, baby. See what you got.
For me?
Zoe. You already got yours whipped up, but it's still watery. It's not like the green stuff.
I know, I got it. That's because yours got coloring in it. When you get color in it, that makes
Color
it
is
more
not
tighter.
going to, no.
Okay, there it is. There it is. There
Coloring
it
is
is.
not going to make it no better. You got to keep whipping that stuff. It's like heavy cream. Keep whipping it and turn it into...
Oh. That's a lot of slime.
That slime at the bottom.
Oh my
Well,
god.
keep stirring it, baby.
Then
You got to
it's
keep
stuck.
stirring it.
Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm going to get the color and bring it outside. Okay. Going out. I'll show y'all what it looks like after. After that.
So I gotta put some more baking soda in.
You need to stir yours. That's all you got to do. That's all he did. He stirred it. He kept whipping it. See it's bubbling up?
Yeah.
All right. You have to keep whipping it.
It's the glitter.
Okay.